Do you feel tired of assembling your favorite furniture by using your hands? Do you want it to produce thousands of furniture items in just 1 second? Our smart assembly robot is definitely what you are looking for. The first function of the robot is simple assembly. We are spawning a screw box with 4 M8 screws, 4 table legs with a hole on top of each, and 1 table plate with 4 holes at the corner. To assemble the table, our robot will detect where the screws are, pick them up, and place them in the corresponding holes. The second function is safety precautions. If you're afraid of being hurt by the machine, you have nothing to worry about. Our assembly robot is designed to prioritize human protection and will prevent potential hazards. Suppose that there is a Mario in the working area. As our arm continuously detects the distance between humans and the end effector, it will automatically stop if the robot is about to get too close to Mario. So, don't worry about playing or hanging out near the robot arm. We will always keep you and your kids safe. But wait, there is more. Besides simple assembling tasks, our product can also do motion planning to handle furniture with complicated, irregular shapes. Suppose that there is an obstacle on top of the table. When the robot arm works, it always detects whether the motion path is collision-free. If it thinks it will collide with an obstacle, it will generate a middle point around the obstacle. If the new path, which goes through the middle point, is collision-free, our robot arm will go to the middle point first, and then to the target, to bypass the obstacle. Automation can save you time. Automation can save you money. Automation is the future. So, what are you waiting for? Buy or rent our assembly robot at the lowest price ever. Just do it.